Welcome back, Dines Nation, and on today's menu we will be preparing corned beef and cabbage turnover. This is my kick to a patty because we are eliminating as much fatty products from our diet, so this won't be as crispy as our Jamaican patty, but it doesn't mean it's not going to be delicious. Now today is my mom's birthday, so I would wish if everyone could go in the comment section and wish her a happy birthday. We went ahead and prepared our corned beef and cabbage for the turnover. So now we're going to prepare the dough. Here we have 4 cups of flour, which we will add salt to the dough. And then now we will add our turmeric. This will help bring the color. And our baking powder. So now guys, we will be combining all our dry ingredients together. So we will be mixing it well. So now we're going to add our egg into the mixture, and we're going to mix it in with a little bit of oil. We're going to save the other rest to help knead our dough when it's finished making. Now we're going to add our water. I added 3 cups initially, but we did not get to show the 3rd cup of water. So now we're going to mix it in. Now we're going to dust our counter with a little bit of flour so we can put our kneaded flour onto it to roll out. So we place our dough onto the counter and we are going to section it off into 3 smaller balls. 1 ball will be equivalent to 3 turnovers. So in all we should have 9 turnovers. And now we will be rolling our dough in a thin and square form. And now we will be putting our corned beef and cabbage mixture in the center of the dough. All the ingredients and method of how we made our corned beef and cabbage will be in the description box down below. So after we have put the corned beef in the middle, we're just going to simply overlap each sides onto one another and press them down so the meat does not come out of it. After which we're going to take a fork and we're going to press down the sides of each corners to give it a better seal and a fun little design. If you wish not to make it, that's optional. So then now we're going to go from sides to sides, closing each and every corner so none of the meat nor the juices inside this dough. Now we're going to move our turnovers in our pan that we have already greased, lightly greased it, and we are going to then use 1 egg yolk and we're going to beat it out, and we're going to wash our turnovers with it to give it a better texture on the outside. So now we're going to put our turnovers in the oven that is preheated to 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. See you when it's finished. Okay, so this is the finished result of the corned beef and cabbage turnover, and with a side of cherry and pineapple juice. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy making this dish with me as I enjoyed making it with you.